If you love listening to music on the go, having Spotify on your Apple Watch can make life so much easier. But if you're not sure how to get it working, you're not alone. Let's dive into how you can enjoy Spotify right from your wrist. So first, make sure that you have the latest version of the Spotify app installed on your phone. Without that, Spotify won't work on your Apple Watch. Second, open the Watch app on your iPhone and scroll down to find Spotify in the available apps. Tap on Install to add it to your Apple Watch. Third, once the app is installed, open Spotify on your Apple Watch. You can now listen to music directly from your watch, even without your phone nearby, which is insane, isn't it? Fourth, if you have a Spotify Premium account, you can also sync playlists to your Apple Watch and listen offline. Isn't that amazing? Lastly, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on both your iPhone and your Apple Watch for the best experience. So now you're ready to rock your music anywhere. So just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for sticking around. Love ya. Ciao.